Hi. So, is it like part of we're allowed to be here if we feed you? So you want a chip? Bro, here's the problem, dude. If we give you a chip, then we have to give everyone a chip. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know that you want to give it a chip, right? I want to also, but what's gonna happen if we give him a chip?
Look at
that. I know that the pigeon's got its eye on us too. Shit. Pigeon's trying to be a duck. Look at this. There's one right there. Hello? Is he nodding at us?
How you doing?
So, does the duck have thoughts? That's the question that I have. Does a duck receive thought? Does a duck receive thought? I think ducks are the best because they can fly, right? They have wings, and then they can also swim, and then they could also just hang out with us on the ground. So, land, sea, and air. They're like a triforce, right? It's pretty amazing. They hang out in the water, they hang out in the sky, potentially, and then they hang out here with us. This duck is very patient. We can say, this duck really likes us. Or he's just really patient. He's like, either they're going to feed me or not. But I've got a better chance of them feeding me if I stay. Right? Robert? Robert the duck. Okay, hey Robert. I'm gonna Google how to sex a duck. I mean, not that I want to have sex with a duck. I said how to sex a duck.